Hey guys, what's up? It's Sculler85 back another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for God of War Ragnarok on the PS5. So yeah, I picked this up today. Really looking forward to playing this. Yeah, I really enjoyed the first game, so I'm really looking forward to getting stuck into this one with Kratos and Atreus. So yep, there's the front, there's the side, and there's the back. And it says all that there. Minimum install is focus 91 gig. And then inside we have the disc, we have this, which is just some information stuff. And then we also have some really nice artwork with Kratos beating some fools up. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of God of War Ragnarok on the PlayStation 5, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos, but for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Cheers, bye.